So what you can also do inside of Notion is go ahead and import out Dropbox Paper content. So to do that, you need to go around onto your profile and then need to go to settings right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you need to go around over here onto import right here. And then once you do that, what you can do is go ahead and click on Dropbox Paper right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you can choose the type of docs right here. For example, I can choose this with sample Word document right here. And if I were to go ahead and then upload it, then what happens is that it uploads that Dropbox paper file right here, just like this. So it is in docx format itself. So you have a Dropbox paper file which you have saved out. Then you can simply go ahead and utilize the import Dropbox paper format right here, just like this. Simply go ahead onto settings and then go around onto import. And then once you do that, you can see that Dropbox paper is an option right here, which simply goes around and opens up the docx file right here that you can that you may have downloaded from Dropbox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.